Hey guys, so if you want to start an ebook business without a website or big upfront costs, then here's a simple plan that you can follow to get your ebook in front of your first few customers using just a few tools. And if you're serious about getting started, I also have a 10-day action plan that will walk you through every step to launching and selling your own digital products. So make sure to check the link in the description box below. Now let's start with the video. Now, a successful ebook solves a problem. But how do you know exactly what that problem is? So that's quite easy, right? So you want to talk to people who will likely buy your ebook, and that is your target customers. So over the next few weeks, start having conversations with potential readers. Go into Facebook groups, go into LinkedIn groups, and ask people to have interviews with you. So you really want to find out what are their biggest challenges, or what is one problem that they are looking to solve in relation to the topic that you can help them with. Now, as you start having conversations with these people, your goal is to look for patterns and common struggles that happens across your interview selection. Then after about 2 to 3 months of consistent conversations, so you really want to have conversations with as many people as possible, you should start seeing one big problem that keeps coming up all the time. And then this is the problem that your ebook will solve. So this way, you're building a product that your audience really needs, and they've actually told you that that is what they want. Now, once you're clear on the problem, it's time to build your ebook. So you want to start outlining it. So think of each major part of your solution as a chapter or module within that ebook. So you want to create a rough skeleton with your main sections, then flesh out the details in each section. So for example, if you're writing about productivity, then each chapter could focus on a different strategy or tool in relation to productivity. But you don't need a 200-page ebook to start this. So just focus on creating valuable, practical, easy to read advice, and you really want to aim for quality and not quantity. Then once you have your content written, you've polished it up, you've added any visuals or images, then you're ready for the next step. Now, how do you actually sell your ebook? So to make it super easy for you, I'm recommending SendOwl. And SendOwl is perfect for beginners and is designed specifically for digital products like ebooks. So here's what you want to do. You want to first create a product on SendOwl and then set up Stripe or PayPal for payments, and then use the shareable link that SendOwl gives to you, which allows you to create a simple storefront and checkout page without needing a full website. So you're ready to make sales with minimal setup. And by the way, if setting up these systems sounds quite daunting, then don't worry. My 10-day action plan includes step-by-step guidance on setting up your offers, your systems and strategies so that you are selling confidently. So make sure that you check that out in the description box below. Now, once your ebook is on SendOwl on that platform and you're ready to start selling, go back to the people who you interviewed and who showed an interest, and then present your ebook solution to them and share the SendOwl link with them so that they can make a purchase. Now, if you don't get as many buyers from those initial contacts, then don't give up, right? So your next step is to reach out to maybe content creators or influencers who have an audience similar to yours. You can offer them a small commission, or you can give them the chance to review your ebook in exchange for something, or you can even teach their audience something for free and then pitch your ebook on the back end to help you drive some additional sales. Now, collaborating with influencers and other content creators is a really great way to help you reach a much bigger audience or group of potential customers, especially where you're just getting started and you don't yet have your own audience. So you can use that to build momentum. Now, I want to talk a little bit about pricing. And at this stage, you really want to keep your price as low as possible. So you want it to be an easy yes for people. And the goal really is to start generating those first few sales and building your confidence in your product. Now, as you get feedback and positive responses, you can always adjust your pricing. You can always adjust your ebook as well, because you may find that after receiving feedback from your customers, there are a few things that you can add into your ebook to fine tune it. And by adding more value into your ebook, then justifies your ability to raise the price of the ebook. Now, as you aim for sales, the point of doing that is just really to start getting interest, first start getting those few wins under your belt. And even if people don't say yes the first time you reached out to them, don't forget to follow up. Follow up is so important because it takes people at least 7 times of seeing or hearing something over and over before they finally say yes. And one more thing, when you may start making those first few sales and you get your first few customers, make sure to follow up with the customer as well. So you want to ask for their honest feedback and see how you can make your ebook even better. And if you get positive feedback, you can also use that as a testimonial as well on your ebook sales page, which is going to help build trust and credibility for when you decide to sell your ebook even further through that bigger reach. Okay, so let's talk about what happens after someone buys your ebook, right? So this is a really great opportunity to deepen the relationship with them and make even more sales. So here's how you can do that. You can consider offering an upsell, which you can easily do on SendOwl. So an upsell can be related to the ebook that you created, such as a mini guide, a checklist, or even a follow-up video course that complements your ebook. This way, you're giving your customers even more value and increasing your revenue without the extra marketing effort. Now, another powerful way is to nurture your customers' relationships through email. So send a thank you email, right? And then also you want to keep the conversation going by sharing helpful content that relates to your ebook. You might even offer a few additional tips or resources or updates as well. And this ongoing relationship is going to build trust and positions you as the go-to person in respect of that topic. And then over time, you can create new products that align with your customers' needs. And if they loved your ebook, then they're more than likely to continue buying future products that you make. Okay, so once you've gone through your first list of potential customers, you now want to think about scaling. So how can you reach more people? So I've spoken already about partnering with other content creators, bloggers, influencers in your niche. You want to reach out and suggest a collaboration. You can offer them a commission if they're open to promoting your ebook to their audience. And this is a really cost-effective way to expand your reach without heavy advertising costs. And if you want a day-by-day roadmap to launch and sell your digital products, then again, check out my 10-day action plan to launching and selling digital products. It covers everything from creating your offers to setting up your systems and making those first few sales. And it's free with the link in the description box below. So there you have it. That's a very simple, low-cost business plan to create, market, and sell your ebook, all without a big budget or a huge website. So let's recap. What you want to do is you want to define your ebook idea by first talking to your target audience. That's so important. And it's more than likely people will not do this part, but it's so crucial to help you understand what is the biggest problem that they want solved, that you can then solve that through your ebook. Once you know the problem to solve, you're going to outline and create a solution-focused ebook. Then pre-sell that to those people that you spoke with just to test the waters. You then want to set that up on SendOwl to make sure that you have a way to collect payment. Once you have the first few customers, ask for feedback. That way you can get testimonials and reviews to build trust, and then scale up once you start getting a few sales. Do that with collaborations or partnerships in order to reach more people. And I think if you follow this process, you'll go from taking your idea to making an income faster than you think. I really hope that simple business plan gets you fired up and you can start taking the leap today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.